My name is Ada. I'm a god. I'm a god of my own.
What is something you thought would be easy at 20, but later turned out not to be?
Everything. To be honest, I feel like we all had that childhood fantasies and all. So because I had such, idea of how life is supposed to go, because I haven't really stepped into what it meant to be living life in 20. So it was easy for me to be blabbing as it is what I was. So everything that is currently happening in my life as it's 20, I thought it was going to be easy.
I'm so open to exploring things. I don't like the idea of being boxed. I don't like the idea of saying, in fact, I don't know how to introduce myself. Oftentimes, like, my name is Ada. I do this. My name is Ada. I'm a god. I'm a god of my own because my God is limitless. So I have such prowess as well. I'm able to express my multiple dimensions because I know my identity as a god.